Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Binance Passkey. First, ensure your Binance app is updated to the latest version for optimal functionality. Passkeys provide a robust, passwordless login experience, making your account more secure. They use cryptographic keys stored on your device, eliminating the need for traditional passwords. This significantly reduces risks like phishing and unauthorized access, offering a smoother and safer way to manage your crypto assets. To enable passkeys, open your Binance app and go to the security section in your profile settings. Look for the passkey option and tap to begin the setup process. You'll then be guided through steps to register a passkey using your device's biometric or screen lock features. This links your device directly to your Binance account, creating a unique, secure key. It's a quick and straightforward process designed to bolster your account's defenses. Once your passkey is set up, logging into Binance becomes much simpler and safer. At the login screen, choose the Login with Passkey option. Your device will then prompt you to authenticate using your fingerprint, Face ID, or screen lock PIN. This eliminates the need to type in a password, speeding up your access while maintaining high security. It's a seamless experience, providing strong protection against common online threats. Passkeys offer significant advantages, primarily by being highly resistant to phishing attacks, a major threat in the digital world. They also streamline your login experience, making it quicker and more user-friendly. This enhanced security and convenience are crucial for managing your digital assets effectively. For those looking to upgrade their home tech, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy with minimal effort, offering smart features for a cleaner home.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.